Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock in your Chrysler 300. For many modern Chrysler 300 models, the process begins with the Uconnect touchscreen system. This intuitive interface makes adjusting your vehicle's time similar to using a tablet or smartphone. You will first need to access the main settings menu, usually located at the bottom of your screen. Then select the clock option to proceed with your adjustments. Once in the clock menu, you will typically find options for automatic synchronization via GPS or manual adjustment. If you prefer to set the time yourself, select the manual mode. You can then tap on the hour and minute displays to bring up adjustment controls. Use the plus and minus buttons to move the time forward or backward, ensuring it matches your desired setting. This allows for precise control over your vehicle's clock. For Chrysler 300 models without the Uconnect touchscreen, or those with an analog clock, the method differs. Older vehicles often have dedicated set or select buttons near the radio. Pressing these allows you to adjust hours and minutes using tuning knobs or other buttons. If your vehicle has an analog clock, a small button on its face when pressed and held will typically cause the hands to spin, letting you set the correct time. After making your adjustments, always confirm your selections to ensure the new time is saved. It is a good practice to double-check the display to confirm the clock is showing the correct time. An accurate clock is more than just a convenience. It plays a crucial role in keeping your navigation system precise and helps you stay on schedule for all your daily activities. Enjoy your perfectly set Chrysler 300 clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.